Medical terminology is the introduction to the language used widely in the healthcare sector. Precise definition of medical terms is crucial for employment in any healthcare setting such as clinics, doctors' offices, and hospital units. In this course, student will learn to identify, define, spell, and pronounce the medical terms. You will also learn abbreviations of the commonly used medical terms. This course provides a comprehensive foundation in medical terms, exploring the basics of anatomy, physiology, and the root words that form the core of medical communication. You'll learn the meaning of commonly used prefixes, suffixes, and abbreviations, enabling you to understand and use medical terminology in real-world settings confidently. Whether you're starting a career in healthcare or looking to strengthen your existing skills, this course is designed to help you succeed. By the end of this program, you'll be equipped to interpret complex medical terms, communicate effectively in healthcare environments, and take your first step toward a fulfilling healthcare career.